Alright, so we've got a bit of a winter storm coming through, which up till now has pretty much been kind of sleet, freezing rain, so everything's coated in a nice sheet of ice out here. So our youth group's supposed to go ice skating tomorrow, but I'm already ice skating in our parking lot. Whew. It is a solid sheet of ice. I should probably put this camera away so I don't fall and bust it. Eesh, that is going to be no fun to get into. Alright, well, this ice is extremely thick and extremely persistent. I've got a little spot cleared. See my little spot? That only took me like 10 minutes to do that spot. So, yeah. It's gonna take a little while. I've got the engine running. It's not quite warming up yet, but defrost is on, but it's a slow process, so I'm gonna get out there and keep scraping. The problem that I'm encountering is that my van is almost on empty. Has 6 miles left on this tank, supposedly. So I gotta get this ice cleared off, probably without using the engine. I'm gonna have to shut it off, scrape the windows, and get to a gas station. Now I'm trying to call my wife on my phone, but the call just keeps failing, so what's up with that? I'd like to call her and tell her I'm going to be a little bit longer. Still says searching, no service. What makes this even worse is the sidewalk is a sheet of ice, so I can't get any footing to get leverage to scrape this ice off the windows. Alright, so I got a hold of it now, rebooted my phone, now it worked. Can't see anything out here, so I'm putting the camera away so I can just get these windows scraped and get on the road. I hate this. I should have done something. I should have filled up my van this morning. That was a really dumb move. Later. Alright, I made it to a gas station, so now I'm going to get some gas in this thing and make my way the rest of the way home. It's done. Well, I made it home safely despite the icy roads and the freezing rain, and I'm not going anywhere else tonight, which is a bummer because I had planned on doing something for today's vlog that involved something that came in the mail today, but I'm not going to be able to do it though because it's too cold and slippery outside to be going downtown, which is where I was going to go to try out the things that came in the mail today, but I'm going to have to do that another day, so it will remain a mystery. But it's a Friday night, we're just kind of stuck here at home in the winter storm that we have going on right now. We're supposed to go ice skating tomorrow. We'll see if it happens. Later.